All right, calculus. Here is a little video explaining the updated fall 2020 calculus chapter 2 quiz number 1 review guide. Quiz is Thursday 10/15, the last day we will meet this quarter. All right, we've got here on this first page, as it says, for fall 2020, know everything that is starred. Okay, let's get closer here. So like the first one, you would factor, x minus 4s would cancel. We don't know anything with infinity yet. That's very easy. We'll need to talk about that, though, in that first week of quarter 2. Number 3, going to multiply top and bottom by the conjugate of the denominator, root x plus 4. In the square root x plus 4, and then outside plus 3. Then take a look here. Good time for a sneeze. All right. Plug 2 in fracs. Just do it. Plug 2 in fracs. That's a nice one. So talking about number 6 here, folks. On 6, find the limit as x goes to 3. Well, plug in the left side limit. F3 from the left side would be 11. Plug in 3 from the right side, and you get 8 minus 3, 5. So because 11 does not equal 5, the left side limit does not equal the right side limit, you would say the limit does not exist. All right? Left side limit does not equal the right side limit. So same deal on 8 here. Find the limit of f of x as x goes to -1 from the right side. That is the right side. So you just plug -1 in there, and you get 2 minus 8, which is a -6. So that does have an answer of -6 from the right side. That one's fair. Right, got a bunch of, well, 7 should be starred. 7 is... You star 7. All right, what would you do is you would multiply this by x plus 9 over x plus 9. Then you get some canceling of sort, but 7 should be starred. On 11, what would be the conjugate? It would be root x plus h plus root x. All right. Multiply top and bottom by that and see what happens. Then this is going to factor x plus 3 times x squared minus 3x plus 9. The x plus 3's cancel. Plug -3 in for x. That one's fair. Then on the next page, we'll talk about this very soon. We are a tad behind. So be ready to meet next Friday. We need to get some notes down. On 15 here, determine the value of k, so that's continuous on the whole, like over its whole domain, on the whole number line. If it's continuous, then the y value is going to be the same. So you set, so this would be true when x equals 5. So you'd say 5 minus 2 is equal to 5 times k minus 3, and you would solve it from there. So we've done several of those. Let f of x be a function pictured below, then like 19 through 21, the limit of f of x as it goes to -2. It's actually going down to -infinity and then -infinity. So the answer would be -infinity. As we go to 1 from the left, -1 from the left, so it would be right here, going towards x equals -1 from the left, it'd be -1. As we go to 2 as a whole, it would be 2. F of 2 is 3, but the limit as x approaches 2 is 2. All right, so that one's very fair as well. I would expect maybe to see something like this. Okay, refer to the function and then just fill them all out. The limit as x approaches -1 from the left. As it approaches -1 from the left, it's -3. From the right, it's -3. The limit as a whole, -3. The limit as x approaches, 1 from the left is -3. 1 from the right, it's 2. As a whole, does not exist. F of 4 is 0. It's right there. So do that page. Good luck. We will discuss as much as we can on Tuesday next week. All right, then this was a past quiz, so you can see what in the past I've put. So, number 1, you would factor. Number 2 is an example. You just plug it in. Number 4, you'd multiply top and bottom by the conjugate of the denominator. 5, you'd multiply top and bottom by the conjugate of the numerator. 6, we're not ready for yet, so you can see that will definitely be on your next quiz. And we are a-rolling. 7, just simply plug it in. 8, we would factor, and then the x plus 2's would cancel. 9, simply factor, easy peasy. 10, multiply the top and bottom by 3 plus root x. On 11, the limit as x goes to 5. So on the left side, you plug in 5, you get 22. On the right side, you plug in 5, you also get 22. So the left-hand limit and the right-hand limit both equal 22. So this has an answer of 22. The limit as x approaches -4, again, you plug -4 in here. I think you're going to get 4 minus 1, which is a -1. Then you plug -4 in here, you get 19. -1 does not equal 19. The limit does not exist. Okay, find the value of k. Again, both these y values have to be equal then. You're going to the same y values. Just plug 6 in for x. 2 times 6 minus 4 has got to be equal to k times 6 plus 4. Same deal here. Plug -3 in for x. So 4 minus -3 squared is equal to 5 minus k times -3. 15 will be on your second quiz of this chapter. 16, x cubed minus 64, x minus 4 times x squared plus 4x plus 16. The x minus 4's cancel. Plug it in, plug it in. Find the limit as x goes to 3. Another one of these, just plug 3 in for x. Here you get 11, 3 in for x. There you get 11 too. The left-hand limit equals the left side equals the right side. The limit is 11. Oh, look at this. All right. So you see something. Fill this out. What is f of 6? F of 6 is 2. Now the limit as x goes to 6 is 5, but f of 6 is actually 2. So definitely look at this last page, folks. All right, be ready to go. Whether you take this quiz in class or after school, be ready to go. This is your last grade for quarter 1, and then it's focus time. We're going to catch up a little bit so that we can get through a certain chapter. We can really dominate those. We got to start taking derivatives here. We need to do that very soon. All right, this is Yak Math Videos signing out.